Hello everybody, welcome again. Today I am going to teach you different ways to say nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Are you ready? Let's get started. Expression number 1. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You can say nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Expression number 2. I am so happy to meet you. I am so happy to meet you. You can say happy to meet you too. Happy to meet you too. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. You can say the pleasure is mine. The pleasure is mine. Good to meet you. Good to meet you. You can say good to meet you too. Good to meet you too. I was hoping to meet you. I was hoping to meet you. You can say thank you. Thank you. Glad to see you. Glad to see you. Glad to see you too. Glad to see you too. How good to meet you. How good to meet you. You can say thank you. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. Pleased to meet you too. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.